Hello and welcome back to Programs and Me YouTube channel. We were discussing tokens. Next in that, let's talk about punctuators. The symbols which we use in our Python program is called as punctuators. These punctuators are helpful to organize the program, to form expression, to write statements. Some Python punctuators are this parenthesis. Parenthesis is used in function call or to group expressions or when we want to define a function. And next is brackets. Square brackets are used in list while creating the list, or you want to perform some operations like slicing and all, then we'll use this operator. Next we have curly braces. Curly braces are used in dictionaries and set. Next is colon. Colon is used in function definition, in some other syntax, in some other operations like slicing. Next is comma. Comma is used to separate values. It can be used to separate elements in list, set or dictionary. Next we have semicolon. Semicolon is used to separate multiple statements on a single line. Let's take an example. Here we can see square brackets are used in list. Here you can see for set we'll use curly braces. In dictionary also we'll use curly braces. In dictionaries, to separate key value pair we'll use this colon, and comma is used to separate each key value pair. Or in list, to separate elements we'll use comma. If you take a program, here you can see we'll use parenthesis like this. And here you can see in the for loop we'll use this colon, and here you can see in many ways we'll use these punctuators in our program. And punctuators are helpful to form statements or expressions, and it will give you a structure to your program. Okay, so this is about punctuators. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in next class. Till then, take care.